How to view images of cleared checks in Regions Bank online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to see the image of your checks you have written, well here is how to view cleared checks in Regions Bank online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, simply log in with your credentials and once logged in from your dashboard, just click accounts and select the checking account you want to review. And with that, you simply have to go to account activity or transactions to see a list of posted items. And there you can find the clear check you want and click on it to view the front and back images. And there you can zoom in, download or print the check image for your records. And with that, just a pro tip is you can use the search or date filter to quickly find specific checks you have written. And that's it. That's how you can view images of cleared checks in Regions Bank online banking. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.